Dear learners, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate, where we will be studying about the cost center. Cost center is related to the cost, that is the amount of expenditure which has been incurred or which is attributable to a specific product activity, wherein the activity of ascertaining the cost with related to specific production activity. Costing cost, wherein the in the cost accounting, the process of accounting for the cost which begin with the recording of the income and expenditure, the basis on which the expenses are calculated, and the preparation of the periodical statement for the purpose of ascertaining the cost. The cost center is a location. Cost center is the department. Cost center is a person or an item of equipment for which the cost is ascertained and used for the purpose of cost control. Cost center is a department or a unit within an organization that does not generate the direct revenue. A department within an organization that does not generate direct revenue for the organization, but which incur the expenses for the organization, for the company. The primary function of the cost center is to track the cost. It tracks the amount of expenditure which is attributable to a specific product, to specific activity, to the specific provisions of a service. And the primary function of cost center is to improve the efficiency. To improve the efficiency because of finding the principles and methods, techniques for the purpose of practice of cost control, and to manage the budget allocation. The budget is the allocation of the amount which is to be expenditure to be incurred on the particular activity on a particular product for the purpose of increasing the efficiency of the organization, wherein the organization needs information for the purpose of management, to plan the activities, to control the organization's activities, and to make a decision for the present and about the future. For that purpose, the cost center helps in managing the budget allocation. The cost center helps the organization for the purpose of accounting of the income and expenditure on the basis on which each the preparation of the financial statements, wherein the cost center helps the business to analyze the financial performance by segregating the cost into different departments, which ensures the financial control of the organization's resources to improve the efficiency of the activities of the organization, of the production activity, to improve the efficiency within the production activity so that the production can be increased and helps in the increasing the efficiency of the organizations. To allocate, it ensures cost center ensures better allocation of budget properly to each and every department, so that there is a proper differentiation between the actual expenditure, the notional expenditure. The cost centers wherein a person or a group of persons, or wherein a location or an item of equipment who are to be considered for the purpose of the expenditure which has been incurred, and it helps to differentiate between the direct and indirect expenses, and it helps to identify the departments which generates the revenue for the organization, wherein the cost center is a location or a person or a department or a unit within the organization that does not generate direct revenue, but it helps to incur the expenses for the company. And the primary function of the cost center is to track the cost, to improve the efficiency, and to manage the budget allocated for the organization.